So keep using Grok AI to generate your videos. If you want to use it on the official website, it's literally locked. At the moment, Grok AI is now a paid tool on some of the AI platforms, but I've been able to find these two platforms that still let us use Grok AI for free. I know that better platforms and better tools will be coming in the future. What you need to do is to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so don't miss any of the updates. Because of this request in the comment section, I have to quickly put this video out. So let me walk you through step by step on this platform. Alright, so this platform gives you access to generate 2 videos every single day. And the good thing is that you don't even have to log in. You can literally generate without logging in, and you can literally log in and generate. So here we want to use video generator. We are looking out for Grok AI. So let's go ahead and select this AI video. Now if you want AI video generator from text, that is text to video, we want image to video, all of it, they are all here. So let's go ahead and view all. Now once you click this view all, you're going to see all the video generators available here. So more platforms will be coming. What you need to do is to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so when it's released, you'll be the first to get to see. All right, so now here you can see Grok video generator. Grok is becoming scarce this day, and some of their features on other platforms are being locked. They are now paid, right? But here is still free. So I would recommend that you can keep using this platform to generate. So let's quickly experiment this and see if this platform can generate something for us. Here is text to video, right? This platform can only use text to video, right? At this moment. With Grok AI, you can use text to video, all right? You can generate your images from here. At this moment, let's just see the quality of the images here, right? Now, if you want to select your aspect ratio, you can click here to select your aspect ratio, but I didn't select that. I just want to show you the quality of the images here. So the image quality is interesting. Like, I mean, it's cool. If you ask me, this actually came out just as expected, right? So if this is cool, you can click here to download. So let's now see the quality of video on this platform, if they are really improved. Okay, now the same prompt, right? But this time around, I'm going to switch this to landscape, and here you can come here and select Grok 4.5, or you can leave it at Grok 4. So I'll use Grok 4.5, right? And then leave it at 1 so they don't waste credit. All right, so go ahead and hit generate. So it's not going to take so much time, right? In no time your video will be ready. So here you can use your emails and generate 2 videos on this platform every single day. Once you exhaust your 2 video creations per day, and come back the next day and keep using Grok. Okay, let's look at another platform that can literally give you access to Grok video generator. Okay, so now the result is here. Now take a look at this, and it literally came with sound and the camera movements, the quality of the image, right? This image wasn't meant to talk, it was just an image, okay, animated image. Okay, so you use your own prompt, and this is up to 8 seconds long video duration. And if you're cool with it, click on that 3 dots and download. Okay, so another platform that I want to recommend for you to keep using Grok Imagine for you, because you want to use Grok Imagine while we wait for more tools to come. Now, once we open this AI video API, you're going to see Grok Imagine. Let's jump into it immediately, okay, and see if it's still free. All right, so for you to check how much credit this platform offers you, you need to click on where you have your profile picture or your email, right, and then select market. Once you select that market, you are going to be presented with this interface, okay? And at this point, you come down here by your left hand corner of your screen, you're going to see billing, okay? When you have billing, click on it. Now, if you notice, this is 80 credits, and then this 80 credit can refresh. Okay, this is the refreshing time, right? It refreshes. So once it want to exhaust this 80 credits, you wait for it to refresh again, okay? Or but if you use a different email to sign in, right, you see another 80 credit. You understand, right? So this is how you use this platform, and this is how you check this platform, so that you can keep using this to create your videos. Okay, so once you open, you're going to see image to video, text to image, image to text, and all of that. So depending on what you want to achieve. So now let's get started. Go ahead and sign in with any email of your choice, and let's see, this is going to cost us 9.6 credit to run, right? Okay, image to video. Now you're going to remove all. Select your image. Let's see if it's going to create the same image that I have here. And I'm going to go ahead and provide my prompt. Now go down to see your prompt here. Go ahead and paste everything. 6 seconds duration. And then I'll select my aspect ratio to be 16:9. Right. So let's see if it's going to run. Okay, let's wait for it. It will start generating. So literally this platform is still free. Use your email, come back the next day and keep using this platform. So Grok Imagine is free on this platform. I'll keep doing my research. The moment I see more tools and more platform, you'll be the first to know. What you need to do is simple. Just like the video, subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss any of my uploads. All right. So let's go ahead and see the quality. As usual, Grok is still giving that quality. I love it. Okay, 6 seconds and it's giving. Go ahead and hit this download button and it's done. All right, so even if you want text to video, you can literally click that text to video and simply paste your prompt here. Leave it at your own duration, aspect ratio, leave it at normal, leave it at duration of your choice, and I'm going to go ahead and hit run. Let's see if it's still gonna go again. Let's see how many videos we can generate on this platform. And guys, guess what? It's loading, it's generating. And of course, if you have other emails, try and use them also, okay? And then create with it. All right, so this is the text to video, okay, without any image reference character. Okay, and this is absolutely amazing. Watch this. It's crazy, like this is beautiful, and I mean the realism and everything. So guys, please use this and create while we wait for more tools to come. All right. Okay, so if you watched it this time, thank you, and let me know what you think about these two platforms in the comment section of this video. Don't forget, we are still doing our research, guys. Until then, see you in the next one.